Good morning and welcome to the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Brief. This morning we are starting off the week with mostly clear skies, some light winds, and fair weather conditions expected for most of the day today, thanks to a nice region of high pressure that has parked itself over our local area. And as we move through the day today, we can look forward to plenty of sunshine with little to no chance of rain, and our temperatures hovering at just around our seasonal averages for this time of the year. Now, looking at this morning's surface analysis, we do have a 1024 millibar high that is off to our west, and that will keep us dry today with plenty of sunshine. And then tonight, that high is expected to shift offshore as we see a weak plains low move east-northeast, and that will bring some increasing high-level clouds, especially by early Tuesday. And from Tuesday into Wednesday, we'll see a weak system cross the area and a stronger low over the upper Midwest and Great Lakes region start to occlude and bring some more moisture over our local area, helping to thicken up the cloud cover and bringing in the chances of some showers that become more so possible Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, with some very low chances of thunder, and a stronger cold front will then sweep through behind Wednesday evening, and we'll see some drier air begin to filter into the region, and that will get some clearing underway as far as our sky condition goes. Now, taking a look at this morning's current weather observations on the field, we do have a few clouds out there at 25,000 feet and unrestricted visibility with winds out of the northwest at about 5 knots, and our temperature sitting at 45 degrees with a relative humidity of 70%. In this morning, pulling up the satellite imagery, we can see that upper level cloud cover off to our west that is working its way into the region and is going to continue to do such. We'll start to see those clouds in a few hours here, although generally we're still going to have plenty of sunshine and no real chances for any precip as we move through the day today. Looking at this morning's model run, this is the HRRR on a 24-hour loop, and we can see that all of those precip chances do remain west of our area as a result of this high pressure that is overhead and drifting eastward, so we are anticipated to stay dry for today. And for our 24-hour forecast, we can see some light cloud cover anticipated, mostly in the form of upper level clouds anticipated for most of the day once we get through this first morning period. And for our winds, they do remain light for a majority of the day and turning variable at times before we see a slight uptick tomorrow morning with southerly winds between 4 to 9 knots. And for our temperatures today, they do look to climb into the mid-50s, with our lows dropping into the upper 30s come this evening, as we will see some nice conditions for radiational cooling present, but overall should be a nice day ahead. And that leads us into the short-term outlook with our risk chart here. We do have some color for the days ahead. On Tuesday, we can anticipate partly cloudy conditions becoming mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a passing shower, especially later in the day, moving into that nighttime period, and a high of 63, so a little bit of color for the chance of a passing shower. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy and slightly breezy with a chance of showers and a low of 58. We also might see some lowered ceilings in those overnight hours. And then Wednesday, mostly cloudy and slightly breezy, once again with a chance of morning showers, with those precip chances tending to wane off throughout the day. And behind that frontal passage, we will begin to see some progressive clearing as far as cloud cover goes, and a high of 65. That is going to conclude the 8:15 daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock with the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a great day.